What is labor trafficking? Labor trafficking is a form of modern-day slavery in which someone is forced, tricked, or pressured into performing labor services. Labor trafficking, like sex trafficking, is a crime against a person, including domestic and foreign workers. Labor trafficking is illegal under federal, North Dakota, and Minnesota law. You cannot be forced to work against your will, even if you initially agreed to do the work, you are being paid or receiving other compensation for the work, you owe a debt to someone, or your immigration status is tied to your employer, or you do not have immigration status at all. What are some of the potential signs of labor trafficking? Having your identification documents, like your ID, passport, or visa, taken from you, being denied protective equipment to do your job safely, being threatened that you will be fired or never hired again if you complain to authorities, not being allowed to receive medical care at all or in a timely manner, not being allowed to have visitors at your housing, not being allowed to leave the work site or your housing, having some or all of your pay withheld or changed to a piece rate instead of hourly wage, being forced to work to pay off a debt, not receiving breaks during work, being recruited through false promises about working conditions, living conditions, or pay, experiencing or being threatened with force, including physical or sexual assault, being threatened that police or immigration officials will be contacted and make you work if you don't comply. Victims of labor trafficking may be eligible for the following benefits: emergency food and shelter, emergency medical assistance, counseling and legal assistance, translation services, job training and education programs, and lawful immigration status through a U or T visa. For help or to report potential labor trafficking, you can call the National Human Trafficking Hotline at 1-888-373-7888, or you can text the word HELP to 233-733. You can also call the Agricultural Worker Project at 1-800-652-9733 for help or to learn more about labor trafficking.